What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's December 7th, 2021, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about crypto taxes. Probably thinking, crypto taxes? What? I got to pay taxes on crypto? Yes, unfortunately you do, but Voyager has partnered with a crypto tax company just to make the process a little bit more easier for you guys. So stick around, guys. I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great day today. I sure am. Before we begin, if you do want to skip to the main section of this video, check the pinned comment section down below. I do put timestamps so you can skip ahead to your favorite part. But before we begin, we're going to do the typical market overview for you guys. Market is looking pretty good. We're up 6.45% the last 24 hours. Bitcoin sitting at 51,604. We're up 5.63%. Ethereum's up 6.4%, sitting at $4,376. Binance Coin is up 3.55%, sitting at $590. We got Solana up 3.49%, sitting at $195. And Cardano's up 6.86%, sitting at $1.42. Top gainers we have Circuits of Value up 273%. That's crazy. Sitting at about 7 cents. We have the Moss Carbon Credit up 101%, sitting at $18.55. Again, I haven't heard of either of those two, but if you guys know about those, put them down in the comments below. I'd be curious to see what they are. Probably a gaming coin or something, it sounds like. Spell Token, sounds like another gaming coin, up 67%, sitting at 0.0171. And then last, Super Farm, up 55%. Man, these things are just ripping. IDEX all up like 50% plus. That's insane. Top losers last 24 hours, we got Function X, down 7.85%, sitting at $1.02. We got IOTX, down 5.17%, sitting at 18 cents. Stablecoin and Yen, down 0.19%, sitting at 0.0087. But again, looks like there's not much red out there in the market, so it's a pretty good sight to see. Today is December 7th, 2021. And what holidays do we have today? National Letter Writing Day. Probably the most notable one that I know of is National Pearl Harbor Day of Remembrance. It's also Flag Day of India, International Civil Aviation Day, Cotton Candy Day, National Illinois Day, and World Trick Shot Day. Jumping over to Crypto Bubbles, top 100 coins. Everything's looking green. We got Bitcoin SVs up 43%, sitting at 170 bucks. BTT sitting at 0.00385, up 34%. CVX, Convex Finance, is up about 18%. All right, let's jump over to my favorites. Everything's looking green. Matic. Oh, that was such a good play by me the other day. I bought in at like $1.83. Now at $2.41. I should just cash out and use that to fund my trip to Florida earlier this week. I'm gonna hold on a little bit. There's an announcement coming in a couple days apparently with Ethereum or something. I don't know. StormX is up 5.6%. Good to see. Cardano's up 6.4%. DOT is CKB crushing it, up 13.1%, sitting at almost 2 cents, 2.5 cents, and VGX up 1.2%. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, currently we're at a 25, extreme fear still, but I have a slight feeling we're going to be up after today since everything's green. I'm going to guess around a 30, 31, potentially, probably back in fear. All right, Bitcoin dominance, we're sitting at a 41.26. Just looks like we're going sideways a little bit, but again, still on a downtrend since 18th of October. Total crypto market cap, we're sitting at about 2.35 trillion, coming back up after the dip we had yesterday, so that's good to see. Hopefully we continue going up. All right, guys, so we're going to be jumping into the main topic of discussion today, and that's crypto taxes. And Voyager has partnered with a tax company, which is awesome. Glad they did that, because we all we don't like talking about taxes with our cryptocurrency and gains. And some people throw jokes out there. Taxes? I got to pay tax on crypto? Or yeah, you do. All right, so Voyager Digital partners with Coinledger to streamline and simplify crypto tax reporting. So this morning they announced they partnered with Coinledger. So they rebranded from cryptotrader.tax to facilitate capital gains, losses, and income tax reporting for users. We are excited to join forces with Coinledger team and be at the forefront of the evolving crypto landscape by bringing a more simplified cryptocurrency tax reporting experience to all Voyager customers. This is one of the several initiatives we are rolling out as we continue to stay focused on adding value to the Voyager user ecosystem, said Steve. Voyager customers will be able to use the Coinledger platform as early as the upcoming 2021 tax year to import their cryptocurrency transactions and get capital gains, losses, and income reports. So the CEO of Coinledger said that Voyager is a forward-thinking when it comes to user experience. Previously, Voyager, I guess, has used just the blanket form 1099, but they obviously found out that wasn't, sufficient enough. So then they partnered with Coinledger's tax reporting solutions to further enhance our user experience, other customers, the platform by making tracking and filing taxes easier for its customers. So there's their official press release letter. So it's good to see that finally, it's the end of the year, and I know Steve in some previous interviews was talking about they're going to be partnering with someone. So here you go, just another one. Add that to your back pocket. All right, so how much is this going to cost? So they haven't really put out any prices if you're a Voyager customer, like if it's going to just go off the Coinledger pricing that you see right here. Even people are saying that'd be awesome if you're part of the Voyager loyalty program where, you do get this service for free or at a discount or something. Would be kind of cool. So essentially they have 4 different packages, but you get all the same stuff. It just depends on how many trades you do. So if you do only 100 trades, you're a hobbyist, you get pretty much everything. I'm not going to go through all of it. You get your tax reports, software integrations, and core features. So you get the same for every single thing. Like I said, it just depends on how many trades. You do 1,500 trades, you're a day trader. High volume is 5,000 trades, unlimited. If you do more than 5,000, you can spend $300 on that package. Where I'm at, I'm probably just like the day trader. I don't think I have more than 1,500 trades in a year. So yeah, that's how much it'll cost, but just stay tuned from Voyager. There might be an announcement if you're a VLP member. You might get a discount, or you might get this for free, depending on how many trades you do. All right, so how do you file your taxes with Voyager through Coinledger, aka, well, they rebranded as Coinledger, but they're still cryptotrader.tax is the website. So how exactly do you do this? So before we get into that, what do you need to pay taxes on Voyager? What do you need to pay crypto tax on? So there's 2 things that the IRS considers as a form of property, and that one is income tax events. So if you earn crypto as a form of income, it's considered personal income and will be taxed accordingly. Earning interest on Voyager would fall into this category. So if you have, interest rewards enabled, you're going to have to pay taxes on that. And then secondly, capital gains events. So you incur capital gains or losses every time you dispose of your crypto. So either sending your cryptocurrency on Voyager or another exchange would fall into this category. We're going to get into that a little bit later. I'm going to go over some basics. By no means am I a tax expert. Definitely get with an accountant, especially someone who's into crypto, if you have any questions on taxes. So those are the 2 things that you do pay taxes on: income tax events and capital gains events. Let's see. And they have some examples and whatnot. But how exactly do you do this? So what you first will do is you'll go to the Voyager tax request form. So you'll click this link, and then it'll open up this link on Voyager where you put in your name, actually your email, and then you get a .csv. So you'll get that .csv, and then you'll click through the following option. Over there, you'll just click Crypto Trader Tax over on Voyager. You'll go to cryptotrader.tax. Add Voyager to your exchanges and upload the transaction file you've received from the Voyager team. So what that kind of looks like is I created an account real quick just so you guys could see. So once you do have your account, you'll see this page, and then you just add your account. So this is kind of cool. So if you use other exchanges, so I use Celsius, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Uniswap, and Uphold as well, and they have their own ways on how you can extract your .csv or however they do it. But essentially with Voyager, you'll get that .csv from them, and you'll click it right here, upload it, and then you're done. You do that for all your other exchanges, and then it'll compile a document that you can give your accountant. So everything's all into one easy place for you guys to upload and hopefully help with your taxes for this past year. But yeah, that's pretty much it for cryptotrader.tax and how much it costs, kind of like an overview, and how you actually would do that. So I think that's kind of cool. So I'm going to jump into real quick, just to kind of cover the basics of crypto, taxes and whatnot. Like they do have a blog post on cryptotrader.tax right here. On the left side, it goes in depth, but I'm not going to go over everything. I just want to go over some of the basics with you guys. So the basics of crypto taxes. In U.S. cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are treated as property for taxes, just like other forms of property like stocks, bonds, and real estate. You incur capital gains and capital losses on your crypto investments when you sell, trade, or otherwise dispose of your crypto. And they give kind of some examples visually. Like the Scott buys $10,000 of Bitcoin, it goes to $12,000. He sells it. Scott incurs a capital gain of $2,000. So depending on what tax bracket you fall under, you will pay a certain percentage of tax on that $2,000. Outside of buying, selling, and trading, if you earn crypto, whether through a job, crypto mining like I do, staking it, airdrops, interest from lending activities, you are liable for income taxes on the U.S. Dollar value of your crypto earnings. So when do you owe taxes on your crypto? So the IRS considers there's 4 different taxable events for crypto. The first one is trading crypto to fiat currency like the US dollar. So if you sell, obviously, from crypto to fiat. Number 2 is trading one crypto for another crypto. So I know Voyager doesn't have it, but Coinbase, if you have, Bitcoin and you just want to convert it over to ETH, that's a taxable event. Spending crypto to purchase goods or services, obviously, you're going to have to incur a taxable income on that, and earning crypto as income. So those are the 4 things. Do you pay taxes when you trade crypto to fiat? Yep. Yeah, so this is kind of just going over into more detail what I just basically said. I'm not going to go over everything. Pay taxes when you earn crypto income. So Matt earns 1 Bitcoin through his mining operation. At the time, the fair market value Bitcoin is $50,000. Matt reports $50,000 of personal income. So yeah, so everything behind me over here, my CK boxes that I'm earning mining, I have that linked with crypto.com. So what I'll just do is, get that file form from there, upload it into here, and that'll become, part of my crypto earned income. So I have to pay taxes on that. So when don't you owe taxes on crypto? So there are a couple things that you don't have to pay. Obviously, the first one is hodling. You don't trigger a taxable event when you buy and hodl. Secondly, transfer crypto from one wallet you own to another wallet you own. So if I've got, all my other exchanges that I use and I want to send some Ethereum over to Coinbase for whatever reason, those are both my wallets. That's not a taxable event. But yeah, guys, so that's just kind of like the basics. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. I'll put a link down in the description below, but I highly recommend checking this crypto tax guide out. Very good information. And again, if you still have questions after this, please get with a tax accountant, a crypto tax accountant, someone who's actually, certified and does this for a living. But I thought I'd share this with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Very excited to see this partnership with Voyager, just because, all the crazy bull run we had this year. I know I'm going to definitely have to be paying some taxes. So don't set it aside. Don't forget about it. And go check out Coinledger, aka cryptotrader.tax is their website for more information. And again, guys, I think there is a referral link. If you do want to sign up for this, check it out below. It'll help the channel out and whatnot. Would really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter at crypto_airborne. Smash that like button, subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and turn on bell notifications. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm and my channel. All right, guys, have a great one. Crypto Airborne out. We'll see you later.